Hello viewers, I am A. Hasina BV, Assistant Professor CSE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video presentation, we are going to see the topic Joint Dependencies and Fifth Normal Form. Actually, 5NF is the last normalization form available for the databases. So this topic belongs to second unit. And the objectives of this topic is to convert the relations into 5NF normalized form and to understand the conditions to meet to satisfy fifth normal form. So in previous videos we have seen about the various normalization forms like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, Boyce coded normal form, then 4NF. Now we are going to see the fifth normal form. 5NF normalization form. So the 5NF is associated with one feature called as joint dependency. So only we are studying this feature along with the 5NF form. So now let us see about joint dependency. A relation is said to have joint dependency if it can be recreated by joining multiple sub-relations, and each of these sub-relations has a subset of the attributes of the original relation. So joining means when we join the sub-relations, if we can get the original relations, if we can retrieve all those attributes of the original relation, the dependency is preserved. So this is said to be the joint dependency of the relation. For example, two sub-relations are there, R1 and R2, which is two sub-relations are got from the original relation R. Relation R is having three attributes P, Q, S, and after decomposing R into R1 and R2 relation, R1 is having two attributes P and Q, R2 is having two attributes Q and S. Then we are joining the two relations R1 and R2. So if we are getting the original relation after joining R1 and R2, if we are getting the original relation R with all the attributes P, Q and S, now this is called as lossless decomposition of R. Also we are preserving the joint dependency. But for the fifth normalization form, for a relation to keep the fifth normal form, it should not have the joint dependency. Now we can see one relation. One relation is having three attributes: supplier details, product detail and the consumer detail. The primary key is the combination of all the three attributes of the relation. For example, the table 1 is having suppliers. Two suppliers are there, S1, S2, S3, and the different products and the different consumer details are present in the original table. The original table is actually the table 1. And in the table 2 is the subtable having only two attributes, supplier and product. Table 3 is the another one subtable is having only two details about attributes, consumer and the product. And the table 4 is having two attributes, supplier, consumer. So the table 2, 3, 4 are subtables. And now we are going to joining these three tables, that is table 2, table 3 and table 4. When we join these three tables, it will yield the original table, that is table 1. So hence joint dependency exists in table 1. Therefore, the table 1 is not in 5NF form, fifth normal form. So for the fifth normal form, the condition is the table should not have the joint dependency. Now let us move to the fifth normal form. For a relation to hold the 5NF form, it should be in a 4NF form and it should not contain any joint dependency, and the joining should be lossless. So 5NF is satisfied when all the tables are broken into as many tables as possible in order to avoid the redundancy. And 5NF is otherwise called as project join normal form. Again we can see example. That relation is having three details, three attributes for subject, lecturer and semester. And we can see the semester 1 is having subjects like computer, maths and chemistry. And the same subject computer is handling by two different lecturers for the same semester. So we can see the semester 1's computer is handling by two lecturers, John and Anshika. Also, John is taking another one subject, maths, for the semester 1. So all these things are available in the original table. So here the problem is, in case in this relation all the combination of all the three attributes are required to identify the valid data. So suppose we are adding a new semester, a semester 3, but we don't know about the subject, and we don't know about who will be taking the particular subject. So we leave the lecturer and subject column as null value, with the null value. But here the problem is all the three columns together can only act as the primary key. So all the three attributes can only be the primary key. So we can't leave any of the columns with null value. So the table is in the multi-value dependency. The table is in the joint dependency. So the table is violating the rule of 5NF form. So to satisfy 5NF form, we have to decompose it into three different relations, and we can decompose it into the first relation P1. In the P1 we have to keep two attributes, semester and subject, and we have to list out what are all the semesters are available and what are all the subjects are available for the particular semester. For example, semester 1 is having computer, maths, chemistry. Semester 2 is having only one subject, maths. And in the second relation P2, we have to keep two attributes, subject and lecturer. And we have to keep one more relation P3, in which we have to keep semester details as well as corresponding lecturer details. So thus, by decomposing in this way, we can satisfy the 5NF form. Now let us see the example possible university question in this topic. Explain the joint dependency and fifth normal form. How to convert a table to become in fifth normal form, explain with example. Okay, so that's all about the topic. Thank you all.